We've just raised £480,000 in our pre-seed fund, led by Fuel Ventures, to build something really, really special. Fuel Ventures asked if they could send over a videographer to ask us some questions and make a little video. And as a video first company, we said, no, we'll do it instead.
No thanks. Hydration.
Woo! So Deaku is your connected workspace and ecosystem to help you grow faster, create better, and earn more together. Basically, we're building the missing infrastructure for the creator economy. So TV, traditional media, has had over 100 years to form industry standards and systems for the ways of working, whereas the creator economy is only like 15 years old. So we know that successful creators invariably have good systems, and those systems they've built by patching together a whole bunch of messy, disconnected tools that are essential to their workflow. We know this because we've lived this ourselves as creators and as video producers. What we're doing with Deaku is we're fixing our own pain points. Deaku solves that by bringing everything that you need for your workflow into one space. I'm talking your data, your videos, your scripts, your ideas, your team, your communication, your collaboration, your publishing, all in one intelligent ecosystem, which means no friction and much more time on what really matters, which is creating. So our North Star for Deaku is to become the backbone of the creator economy. We want Deaku to be the space where if you're a new content creator, Deaku is the logical place to start. And when content creators ask each other, how do you manage your workflow and output such great stuff? The default answer becomes, I use Deaku because everyone does. So Fuel Ventures have already from the beginning been super excited about what we're building, the backbone of the creator economy. They led our pre-seed round, and from the very beginning, all the way from just the term sheet, all the way through to closing the round, we really felt like Fuel Ventures were in our corner, supporting us every step of the way. And now that we've closed, we have tons of support from them, including access to their black book of service providers and people that they've worked with before and can vouch for actually being really, really valuable to us. And they immediately put us in touch with their PR firm, who have supported all of the press releases around the closing of this funding round. Thank you so much, Fuel Ventures. Sign up for free now on deaku.app.